Hi, it's Riz from the RIZ team. Welcome to our newest listing at 42 Udvari Crescent in the Beechwood Forest West area of Kitchener. Close to Iron Needles Boardwalk, you're gonna just love what this home has to offer. Let's go on inside, take a further look. This fully finished custom-built home offers an open concept living room, a dining room, and a beautiful custom kitchen, which you're gonna just love. The second floor features a beautiful family room with a nice palladium window, nicely decorated throughout with 4 spacious bedrooms, the master with a walk-in closet and a luxury ensuite bathroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. To book your private tour for this or any one of our fabulous listings, be sure to connect with the RIZ team. For a full 3D virtual tour, video, and the full photo gallery of this home, be sure to connect with the website below. And remember, don't put it on hold, call the RIZ team to get it sold.